Alright guys, what's up? We're headed to a muffler shop to take off my stock muffler and put a pipe in its place. We are going to get rid of this stock exhaust. I want it a little bit louder. In a few months, actually, I'm getting a new, a whole new exhaust. So right now, I want to see if taking this muffler off and putting a pipe in, if it'll make a difference, you know, on the sound and stuff. So right next to the muffler, guys, on this car, there's a hole in the pipe. So that's why it sounds the way it does. So I want to get this taken care of, and hopefully they will be able to run, you know, like my two exhausts coming out of the back, not just one. So we'll see what happens. Guys, here is the stock exhaust. My plan is I'm going to take this muffler out, put a pipe in here, put a white pipe over there, and no, I did not cut that. I bought the car this way. But put a white pipe right there to run this pipe all the way back. So I'm gonna go take it to the shop and see if they can do this for me. So, but the only reason why I'm doing this is, I don't know, why not? Alright, you little dildos, this is where we're at. We're actually back at the house. I want to show you what the muffler shop did. So, they put a white pipe right there. Their welding is kind of embarrassing, to be honest. So there's a pipe there. Look at that. Another pipe that runs all the way back here. And I tried to put my old tips on, but they didn't fit. So I'm gonna have to get me some new tips. But from the white pipe there, and the other one, of course, there. So it sounds freaking amazing. And don't mind that wire right there hanging, that little wiring harness. I gotta fix that. So anyway, guys, that's what they did. And only thing that I would say they could do better on is their weld jobs. My goodness. All right, guys. Peace.